much fun as I've been having with the bamboo toy gun war, the holidays are upon us. A lot of people have their Christmas trees up, including us. I don't think it's a record breaker for us to have it up, but it's up. And a Christmas tree needs Christmas tree ornament. You guys let me know what you think. Give me ideas on how to perfect it, as always. And this is 120 grit, if you're wondering. I'd be okay with that. We'll come back, we'll work on this one that's gonna take way longer. So I think we've got two pieces that are flat enough, I would say. We might want to get a bigger head, honestly, but we'll try to use it. By using a Dremel, you can kind of keep the natural grooves that are in the node